Hi, Pradyuman. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Pradyuman. How are you?
I
Hello. Pradyuman, I can't hear you.
can't hear me, I
Yeah,
think.
yeah. I was asking, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you for asking. So, yeah, Rishi will be telling you about all the things like how this cryo helps you in the learning part, and then we'll be telling you about the fee structure and everything. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, is my voice audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, let's start with the session then. I will give my
Yeah.
introduction, then we'll move on with yours. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So myself, Rishi, I'm the technical expert here at Cryo, where my expertise are in one-on-one session and workshops. So my role here is to understand every single learner and provide them a month-on-month plan on what needs to be done. Okay. So let's take a example. For example, let's take a non-IT person, and if he wants to move to an IT field, he might have to start from his very first line of coding, right? That is Hello World Java. But if he already knows his basics and he wants to start from an intermediate level here, so figuring out the intermediate level could be a bit of a task. On a scale of 1 to 10, if I'm asking you, like how comfortable are you in languages like Sanskrit, Japanese, French, it is difficult for you to pinpoint, right?
Right.
Same with the languages in technology, like say, let's say, how good are you in Java or JavaScript? It's difficult for you to pinpoint. So, but here at
Right.
Cryo, we have an assessment called diagnostic coding assessment. So, where we'll know how good are you at a problem solving capability and how are you going to add value to set concepts and set project. So, that is where your learning will start. Okay. So, now where does the learning end here? So, let's say everybody has a target right here. So, here, let's say I'm targeting to get into a startup for a 8 LP package, and you are targeting to get into a MNC for 11 LP, 12 LP packets. So you are seeing here, everybody's target is different, right?
Right.
So don't you think the solution also should be different for that, right?
Right.
What we do at Cryo here is, so we understand the learner on a proper basis, then we provide them a month-on-month plan for them to achieve them target. Okay, so that is going to be a personalized plan as well. Got it? So
Right.
yeah, so that is a quick intro about myself. I would like to know about you and what is your expectations here from Cryo. Yeah, you can start.
Great.
Yeah,
Well, my name is Pradyumna. You all know that.
yeah.
I'm from mechanical background. I graduated in 2019 as
Okay,
a
no IT.
mechanical engineer. But
Okay,
immediately after that, because of the recession, and also I'm not a scored person, right? My marks card did not have enough marks to get into a good job, basically.
okay, understood. Okay. So, you are your core domain is mechanical, right? Now we are moving into IT. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I
Yeah,
will complete it.
yeah, am I
So what
audible?
happens?
Your voice breaked. I just lost you for a bit.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay. I think now I am audible, right?
you are audible. Yeah.
Yeah. Because I'm from mechanical background, because of the recession and as well as my low scoring actually lead
Mm.
to I'm not able to get into the mechanical job immediately after completing the graduation, right? And there I worked in McDonald's for 4 months basically because I was finding the job in the morning and I was working in the night shift in the McDonald's,
Okay. Okay.
and then COVID hit, so I
Uh,
have to move to my home back. So
okay.
at that time, one of my friends figured out that being in home is not a very much good thing. So I went to my Gurukul back and where I studied martial arts for 3 years. Um, and then there actually they told me that okay, why don't you move into this field? It's very good, and you are having a lot of attention towards learning new things, so you don't have to worry about learning. So you just get into this because you also learn interested in learning, and this is also very much helpful if you are learned and you can apply these skills as well if you once learned. Because in mechanical, what happens is there is a huge difference between theory and practical things, but in case of computer science, it's not. So that's where I was actually started getting interest in the field, and I made 2 to 3 projects, which is intermediate level. I'm not expert
Okay.
level, but that
Okay.
made me a great fascination. That built my fascination towards programming language. And now
Got
I'm
it.
here.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Got it. Yeah. So yeah, so you are so what kind of projects have you built on? Like you have built an intermediate level of projects, right?
Yeah, of course. It depends. I was studying full stack basically.
Okay.
But I started with the front end, and where I have built four basic level projects, which is just an HTML and CSS based projects.
Okay, with
Uh,
front-end essentials. Okay.
Okay, and then I have used JavaScript for the interaction. I mean, I
Okay.
just used the same projects and I just added interactions with the JavaScript. And then I moved on to the intermediate level projects where I have built using React and Redux. I have built a Shopify applications, which of course
Okay.
by using YouTube channels and
Okay.
ChatGPT with
Okay.
the help of those things. And then
Okay.
I moved on to building something called as components based, like
Okay.
I wanted to build some components which can be used in the future projects as well, without having to worry about the components from derivation from the any Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS kind of frameworks. I don't wanted to use that, and as well as when I do projects, it
Okay.
will be like problematic for me. So because I was losing concepts, I was losing everything which I learned in JavaScript or CSS. So that's why I
Okay.
started with the components, which is just completely based on external style sheets,
Okay.
including the help of the React kind of CSS framework, like um, module module based CSS style sheets using that. So I
Okay.
have built some projects like Shopify, blog, and I'm now currently building a blog project. And apart from the front end projects, I moved to the back end as well. I have built some I built two projects in the backend where it's just an API projects, including JSON data transformation. And one thing I have used in creating APIs is like filtering, and I have added the features with my own, let's say, um, a small amount of knowledge is required for building filter methods or these kind of features. I have used my own knowledge which I had while in ashram doing some stuff. So these are all the projects I have done, which is completely intermediate level. It's not a good thing to show off.
Okay. Okay. So you are telling that you can't put it on your resume or paper.
Yeah, of course. So I can show you. I mean, I have a Git repository. I have maintained it very well, so you can
Okay.
see those things. If you
Got it.
want to, I will share.
You are already well known in your basic part, a little bit at least. Okay. Right. On the language part, if I'm asking like on a scale of 1 to 10, if you are starting on a JavaScript, so how could you rate yourself? Let's say 5 or 6, because since you're already in the intermediate level.
Yes, correct. I would rate 6.5 or 7, basically.
Okay, got it. That is a good number. Okay. So yeah, so based on an assessment is where we will be giving your curriculum for you. Okay.
Great.
Based on, so currently you have work experience. You have no work experience because of the COVID and things, right?
Exactly.
Okay, got it. So not a problem. Okay. So we have a number of people from who are from back from break. Okay, who have a year career gap and so on. Okay. So what they do is they take up the curriculum, work on it for a set of 8 to 7 months. Okay. Then move into
Okay.
the placements and get placed. Okay, with a portfolio. Okay.
Great.
So we will help you with the placements as well. Okay. So yeah, just give me a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, of course. I'm okay
Okay.
with it.
Okay. Just give me a minute. I'll start with it. Okay. So have you gone through our website actually?
Um, Yesterday, I mean, it's like assessment, right? So workshop, are you asking
Okay.
about?
No, no. Like you attended the workshop yesterday.
Yeah, correct.
Okay,
Saturday,
got
yeah,
it. Saturday.
yeah,
Okay, great, great. Okay. So I hope you have got a like basic understanding from there, right?
correct.
Yeah. So in this session, what is your agenda is going to be is, so I'll be just taking you through what is a cryo. I'll just give you an introduction on cryo. Okay. And what is your learning process here going to be. Okay. And
Great.
I'll be
Yeah.
explaining you the curriculum part as well. Okay.
Okay.
The curriculum part. Then we will skip through we'll skim through just the website part. Okay. What was mentioned in the website. And I'll be explaining you about your placement guarantee and stuff. Okay. and then moving on to your dashboard, okay, where your complete learning takes place from beginning till the end, till your career services and everything. Okay, I'll explain about your career services, what are the projects you'll be working on, okay,
Yeah.
and how your learning is going to be end to end. I'll be explaining it till your end part, how it is going to be. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So here, as you know, Cryo is a work-like experiential learning platform, world's first work-like experiential learning platform, right? So here, when we started in 2018, what we did is we started partnering up with some top tech companies like Google, Flipkart, NetApp, and PhonePe, and so on. Okay. So what we did is we went over and started talking to them and asked them, what do you look in a developer as a fresher, or what kind of skills does a person?
Hello. Hello.
Rishi, you're not audible. I guess we lost you for a second. Hello, Rishi. Pradyuman,
Uh,
just wait. Yeah, just
I,
wait for a second, Pradyuman.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. No problem.
hello.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Joshna, do you want to add something?
No, no, I just
Uh,
wanted to tell you we lost for you for a second actually. We weren't able to hear you.
Okay, okay. Like, yeah, are you audible now?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
sorry.
you are audible now.
Yeah, just let me know. Okay,
Okay.
I guess there is some network fluctuation here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So, yeah, am I audible now? Where did I lose you? Like, where did I lose you actually?
with the
What was it?
network, sir. I mean, it's almost you are actually yet to start. So that time we lost you.
Okay, okay. So, yeah. So, now I am audible, right? Clear, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are. Yeah.
Okay, so Cryo. So to tell about Cryo here is a work-like experiential learning platform, as you know, right? So basically, when we started in 2018, right? So what we did is we started partnering up with some top tech companies like Google, Flipkart, NetApp, Visa, PhonePe, and so on. Okay, we started talking to them, and we understood what is the current market standards and what are they looking for in a fresher, or what are they looking for in a developer or an automation testing engineer. Okay, so based on the information that we gathered. So am I audible?
Yes, yes. You are audible.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So yeah, based on the information that we gathered and we made a list, and based on that is when we created this bundle. So that bundle is going to be your fellowship program in software development, right? So right now, the company or a current market, what are they expecting is you to be worked on a set of skills, or you should have a hands-on experience on each and every skills that you're going to be implementing it in your day one, right? So most of the people are laid off or set back, or on the they're on the different, let's say the expectations of their CTC may be higher, but they are still stuck on the CTC that they are given, right? Because of the skill sets they don't have right now. That is the what the current market standards is for you to have a set of skill sets that they are expecting, right? So
Correct.
here is what we came, and what we are trying to bridge a gap here is for each and every fresher or a graduate or a person who's completely moving into an IT field to have a to be industry ready, basically. Okay, so it's not like going through a course, okay, applying it, learning it, and then still not industry ready. If you're going into the new job, you got, let's say you got placed also in Flipkart, okay, so still you are not able to implement your skills in the day one of your job, so that is a waste of time that you given, right? So here what we are trying to bridge a gap is for you to make you industry ready by giving you a set of hands-on experience on each and every technologies that you're going to work on, and you to implement each and every skills that you're going to do it in the work on a day one on the future. Okay, so here from the beginning you will be working as a full stack developer. Okay, so that is how your journey is going to be here. Okay,
But
each and
one
every
thing,
session. Yeah,
I have one question regarding this.
yeah.
Like it sounds like if I'm a dedicated person and if I'm going to use the YouTube videos, which is free of
Mhm.
course.
Okay.
So don't you think this is as same as watching the YouTube channel and getting to the industry? Don't you think that is same as using Cryo?
No,
I guess.
let's say, so there is set of difference between that. Let's say you are going to a company, okay,
Okay.
but you are telling them from where did you learn you this? Okay, how did you learn
Correct.
it? Okay, but
Correct.
You're telling that I watched it from a YouTube video. Okay. But the company doesn't need to believe you that you are still you still know your job, because you have, if you have implemented in the proper way through a proper roadmap, and you can show it in your paper as well. Okay, you have build your own independent project that way. Let's say higher architecture of building. Okay. Let's say a e-commerce site like a building, like a Flipkart, like a replica. Okay.
Okay.
So if you had implemented it in, and then you can say, I am well versed in that. Okay. If you're showing your codes directly to them, that may be. But here the scenario is different. In YouTube videos and everything, you come up with doubts, right?
Correct.
The proper resources won't be there for you to clear each and every doubts or each and every steps. You will be seeking for a help in ChatGPT. Like, what is the code for this? Let's say, right? Everything is available, right? But the proper resource and proper method of learning is not there. So if you are learning from YouTube, and if you are looking for a like long time role in the IT itself, let's say, okay, you're starting with a career from for a 8 LP or a 10 LP job, okay, then you are pursuing it and moving forward, you wanted more skills, or you wanted to move into a product based company, okay, then you are they're setting you for a higher target, okay, they're telling you to work on higher projects. If you don't have your proper basics which you have gone through with your MERN stack or whichever concepts you have done in the full stack part or a backend part, so that won't be applicable, right?
Correct.
So that is what I'm telling. Okay. So there should be proper basis for every learning. Okay. From the beginning till the end. Okay. So if you are going through that, it will be helpful for your future and your current job role that you're working on. You don't have to seek help from your colleagues all the time. Okay. You can be confident enough for you to work on your own projects.
Correct.
Got it?
But one thing I did not understand that, so we have technologies like ChatGPT, and nowadays Google Copilot is also, GitHub Copilot is also available. Still, still, I don't think in the future there is a career in a software development. That's what I think, because a lot of codes actually written by using these kind of things, and when I ask for ChatGPT to give me a code, it's actually giving me a code. We can do the copy paste as well. So why do industry has to hire, or in the future also? I don't think they will be hiring the next generation software engineers.
That's a great question, but I'll give you a great answer as well for that. Okay. Okay. So you are saying that is an AI, right?
Correct.
So if an AI is building or giving a set of codes to you, right? So let's say ChatGPT till this year, 2023, okay, what you have still built, or what if some person has still built, if you're asking for information, that will give information behind to 2023, or which is before that, right? But still, if you're asking, that is, you can get it from the behind part, okay. But if you are a developer, you will be creating something new each and every day that only humans can do it, right? That a ChatGPT or a AI can't. AI does everything with the help of information that is already provided. Already someone has built it, okay. But not everything is new in the AI, okay, which is already in the market, or they know about it. That's when it is like gathering the resources and providing it to you. Yeah, I already know this, that's why I'm giving it to you. That is AI, okay. But in a developer role, or in the future developer role, you will be building new things. Creative things are going to be from the developer itself, okay. So then you can't even match AI and developer role in this market, okay.
Okay, that means what you're saying is AI can't replace the programs. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, because AI creates something which is already been created, or already the information is out there. Okay. If the information is not there, the AI also can't create it, because it is a set of language that is written for that. So it can search through that and give you. Okay. It will be already written in the ChatGPT as well. I can give you only informations based on this year.
Yeah.
From this year is because I was born that year. Okay. That is what it is mentioning as well. Got it? So that is why people are not thinking ahead. They are just, okay, I can do this, so why we are going to in this job road? So there is no work for us to do. So that is different. The mentality of thinking is different, because still a developer role is growing in the market. So they still
Right.
need developers to develop new program and everything and to build projects, okay, in a creative way that only humans can do. Okay,
Right.
clear?
Understood. Understood. Yeah.
Yeah. So now are you on the track?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, got it. So now let's move on to the okay. So here you are seeing Flipkart, Capillary, Visa, and PhonePe on the below, right?
Right.
So actually, what they do is they use our curriculum to train their current developers in the market as a training
Great.
program. They use our curriculum. So that is how well known and well reputed our curriculum is for these companies as well. Okay.
Great.
So now, moving on to the next one. If you're seeing, we have provided solid outcomes to working professional. We have people from working professional tech background who wants to upskill themselves and move into higher package. And we have people from non-IT as well. Okay, non-CS background, non-IT background, taking up the curriculum and moving into a dream job, and students and graduated and back from a break. So we have provided solid outcomes across different backgrounds. Okay, so now if you're seeing what we provide here is we provide 89% of average hike, okay, for a working professional. That is an average. Okay, and you see we have we provide the 11 LPS, the average CTC we provide for the freshers, 11 LPA, okay, and
Great.
21 LPA is the average we provide for a working professional who has experience in the IT field.
Great.
Okay, and we have 700 hiring plus hiring partners associated with us. So if you're seeing some of our hiring partners at this, so if you we have Microsoft like Superdream companies, and we have unicorn companies like PhonePe, Cred, and Grow, Meesho, Ola, and we have startups, 100 plus startups also with us like Vogo, Zoho, Jumbotail, Ola, and so on. And famous consultings also are some of our hiring partners like Accenture, Deloitte, PwC, IBM as well. Okay, this is where you this across these companies currently our cryograds are working. Okay, so now what is your path to get into a company? There should be a proper path, right? So right now, you first the very first thing is your resume should get shortlisted to get into a company, right?
Right.
For resume to get shortlisted, you should have a set of skills that a company is expecting from you, or you should have already experience, you should have an experience on that field, right? So
Right.
here what we do is we help you to build a portfolio simultaneously you're completing your curriculum and your projects. Okay, we will be building a portfolio for you, okay, and then that portfolio will be shared to our you may see. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, was I audible? Am I audible now?
Yeah. 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 Please
Okay.
continue.
So if we are seeing our portfolio shortlisting is 300 to 400%. So if I'm taking you through the full stack portfolio right now, okay, a developer's full stack. So you are opting in for a full stack course or a backend course.
Yeah. Full stack. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So here is what a basic freshers demo portfolio looks like. Okay.
Okay.
So here your name will be there, and what all skills, your verified skills. That is your verified skills is what you have already worked on and got hands-on experience on throughout your program. Okay, that is called verified skills. And
Great.
what are the projects you have worked on and how many DSAs you have solved up till date. Okay. So if you're opting into a company like, let's say, if you're opting into a company like Microsoft and Google, their expectations would be at least you should have solved 150 or 200 problems. Okay,
Correct.
DSA problems. So here we go a step ahead and we'll be solving 300 plus problems here for you to make your DSA part well enough thorough, and for your application on your day-to-day developer role, and for your interview parts as well. Got it? So you will
Great.
be covering
Yeah.
DSAs from basic till the advanced here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're
Yeah.
seeing some of the skills that you have acquired. Okay, we'll be highlighting your skills and we'll be showing your projects that you have worked on. So here you'll be working on 7 work-like projects here. Okay, front end including back end. Okay, so you'll be
Great. Yeah.
working on independent projects as well. You'll be having guided projects and independent projects for you. Okay, not only
Fine.
that, you will be mentioning, we will be putting it once you're going through the project. So once you're completing your project is when we will be adding it. So you're seeing here the one, not only the overview, how you have worked on it and how, what scope of work did you use and how, like what kind of skills did you apply it. Okay.
Correct.
And every images will be given. So this is how a company will know So you're knowing right now, the company will have a better idea on what you're going through,
Correct.
right? So then this is why we have a 300 to 400% of a shortlisting ratio. Okay.
Correct.
So now let's take what are the interview rounds you should crack. So first comes the DSA, tech, system design. So system design is for a experienced person, okay, in IT. You won't be having system design rounds, you'll be having take-home assessments. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
So DSA round interview rounds, you'll be given a 30 to 40 minutes of time to come up with the output. Okay. So they'll
Okay.
they'll be checking your leadership quality and how you are sorting your data and how you are retrieving it. Okay. So
Okay.
DSA round is going to be a programming coding round. Okay.
Okay.
So here we are covering the DSA part for you. Okay. From the beginner to part, so you'll be able to cover it. Okay. Now
Okay.
tech. So tech interviews, you are going to be working on 7 work-like projects here. Okay. And you are the one who's going to build it from the scratch, not with any help. Like you'll be having the mentor's help for 4 projects, and you'll be building your own projects as well. Since then, so you will be able to answer each and every tech stack questions, right? So your second round is also, you can clear it. Third round
Okay.
is very simple for you, since you are already working on the projects part. So they will just ask you a basic thing just to come up with a front end or a static page of a Airbnb or a Spotify like an app. Okay. Since you have
Okay.
already worked on 7 projects, for you to bring a static page or a front end page of a similar projects, it won't be much of time, right? So they will
Correct.
give you 24 hours to 48 hours of time to come up with it. Okay, that is
Okay.
your third round. That is how it is going to be. Okay.
Okay.
So now, that is how you will move into your dream job. Got it? This is your path.
Great. Yeah.
So for you to achieve this path, we have a perfect curriculum for you here. So this is what your curriculum looks like in here. Okay, complete end to end. So here you are going to study, sorry, your JavaScript. Okay, full stack specialization using JavaScript. Okay, and you're
Okay.
seeing optional here. Okay, this
Yeah.
is because the curriculum is going to be, before that I'll take you through the website itself for you. Just give me a minute. I'm taking you through the website. So the program that you're opting is software development. Okay, so you're seeing here your program. Okay, and you saw the dream jobs and super dream jobs that I have explained you. Okay, average CTC for you for a fresher is 11 LPA. Okay, so dream job category comes from 6 to 15 LPA. Okay, and super
Okay.
dream job starts from 15 to 40. That's for a working professional. Okay, you'll be landing in this category. Okay,
Okay.
and so you are seeing here the average we provide is 11 LPA and 22 LPA for work higher, like working professional. Okay,
Okay.
so you're seeing here placement guarantee as well. Okay, so here once we have verified your profile, you are already getting a minimum CTC for you. Okay, that
Okay.
is, guarantee is this, not a guarantee part. Also, you're providing a minimum CTC. That is a way worst case scenario for you. Okay, minimum CTC, and you will be opting in more. Okay, so you will be opting for a higher packages only. Okay, so regarding
Okay.
your placement part, it is going to be like, it's not just said by words for you. Okay, we will be
Correct.
getting a written document through via email stating that
Okay.
once you're completing this curriculum, you will be placed under so and so minimum CTC. Okay, so your minimum CTC here will be 6 LPA. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
you're falling under the category for 4 to 6 LPA. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that is going to be your minimum. Okay, so
Yes.
your job offers will start from there only. You're seeing already your category is 6 to 15 LPA. Okay, and average is 11 LPA. For a fresher, they are opting for higher packages and going. Okay, this is the minimum that we are seeing. Okay, not only
Yes.
that, not like any other like platforms, we are providing a placement guarantee through a writing for you. Okay, you'll be getting a seal and signature as well. Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
got it? Clear on the placement part. So now
Yeah.
you're seeing here 9 months is the program. It is not going to be same for each and every learner. Okay, since
Correct.
you have already have a basics part, is you're already on a basics part. If you want to start from the front end essentials and developer essentials and move forward quickly,
Correct.
complete the curriculum. So based on your assessment, if you are in the intermediate level, maybe a 2 months might come back. Okay, let's say 6 to 7 months you can complete it. Okay,
Correct.
that is going to be based on your assessment itself before you're enrolling. Got
Okay.
it?
Great.
Yeah. So then we will know where you're lacking and where you have to provide more concentration. Okay. So
Okay.
now this is your language part. Okay, loops, conditions, arrays, and stuff. Okay, and then you're seeing the developer essentials here: HTTP, REST API, deployment, Git, SQL. That will be
Yes.
covering. and then your DSA. So the DSA is going to be from the beginner level till the advanced level for you. Okay, you'll be
Right.
covering more than 250 plus problems here.
Right.
Then moving on to your projects. So once you are completing your developer essentials and DSA itself, you will be directly implementing it in your projects. Okay. So 7 projects here. In the option 1 part is a full stack part. Okay. First project is going to be your Qtrip. Qtrip is a Airbnb like it's a replica of Make My Trip and Clear Trip. Okay. So using your HTML, yeah, your voice is breaking. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, is my
Yeah.
voice audible?
Yeah. You're audible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Please
So
continue.
here, Qtrip is going to be your first project that is going, you are going to build a static page and a dynamic page here. Okay. Using your front end essentials. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
And then moving on to your independent project in the front end essentials is going to be Xboard. That is a Google News feed like page. Okay. They are going to implement it using your front end essentials. Okay. So here comes your 3 projects done on the front end essentials part. Now
Right.
moving on to the hierarchy, you're seeing your Amazon like shopping app. It is going to be QCart. It is the replica of Flipkart here. You will be building it using your MERN stack concept. Okay. So MERN stack is these are the current market standards which we have provided here. So based on that only you'll be working itself. Okay.
Yeah.
So MERN stack is going to be MongoDB, React, Node.js, and Express. Okay.
Correct.
So you will be building QCart front-end and back-end using MERN stack concepts, and you will be applying your higher architecture and low-level design, high-level design, and you will be deploying it as well with help of Docker, Kafka, and so on. Cloud Essentials. Okay. Then
I mean, here I have to go through with Cloud Essentials as well.
so you will be deploying it as well. Okay. So if you're going through the system design, you will be covering that part as well.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you will be seeing your next comes your independent project in the MERN stack. So here comes your Xflix. Xflix is the replica of Netflix itself. Okay.
Okay.
Here is where you'll be building your independent project using a MERN stack project, like your concept that you have covered before. So here you'll be totally building 4 guided projects. So QCart is going to be a guided project, and Qtrip
Okay.
is going to be a guided project, and then Google News is going to be an independent project, and then Xflix is going to be an independent project. So 3 independent projects. So in Netflix, you'll be building front end and back end Xflix. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? So now I'll take you through again this. So just give me before that, you'll be seeing. After that, you'll be covering your system design concepts as well. Okay, load balancer stuff. If you are working on higher, like let's say the users are higher. Okay, if you're saying on a big billion day, Flipkart users will be higher, right? So on that concept, how will you apply the load balancer? So the load balancer is the concept that you'll be applying it there. Okay. So if you'll be borrowing the servers and active like pushing it because there's yeah, so that there won't be any lag or any for the users to go with the website, right? So that concepts also will be covering here. So after that, you will be moving into your interview rounds. So once you're completing your 70 to 80% of your curriculum itself will be taken to the reference. Okay. So you will be given focused interview preparations across DSA, tech stack questions, and take homes. Okay. Not only that, you will be provided mock assessments on each and every round, and you'll be having mock interviews as well. Okay. After that is when you're going to your actual interview, and you will be provided with extension. That is where one step further you are going to implement your learnings. It is going to be, you'll be given a real project statement from the top companies like Cred, Jumbo Tail, Grow, Slice, and Vicara. You'd have heard about these companies, right? So here is we will be given a real project statement from the company, and you will be working on the project as a cryo learner. That is going to be your extension. Okay. Clear on that part?
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll just take you through this part. So this is your curriculum. So clear on your curriculum part here. So your front-end essentials, HTML, CSS, JS, and Bootstrap. And MERN stack is going to be MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Okay. Here you're seeing micro experience and build out. So micro experience are going to be guided project. Okay. Independent build outs are going to be independent projects. So Make My Trip like app is going to be Qtrip. That is your static and dynamic 2 guided project. And Amazon like shopping app, that is going to be QCart. It is going to be front end and back end 2 guided projects. So total 4 guided projects and 3 independent projects you see. Clear?
one doubt actually.
Yeah.
In the OneStack build-ups project, there is an Netflix API and plus P something, front-end and back-end part, right? So
Yeah.
if I have a doubts at that time and if I got into trouble for something, so I
So
can
you'll
discuss.
be having your mentors to clear it up.
Okay, fine.
Okay. You don't have to. You'll be having your chat-based support systems and everything for you to come up with. Don't worry.
Great,
Okay. I'll be taking you through the dashboard as well for you. Okay.
great, yeah.
So right now, this is your curriculum. So clear on the part, and you'll be working on technologies also. Whatever technologies you are going to implement it on a day one of your job, you will be covering it as well.
Great,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah.
So let me take you through the projects part. So this is your QCart e-commerce site project. So this is built by one of our learners, Shashank itself. Okay. So here is where you'll be building from the login page till the payment gateway page using MERNstack, and you'll be deploying it as well. Okay. This is a completely
Yeah.
functional page if you see. And then comes your Qtrip. So Qtrip is the replica of MakeMyTrip and ClearTrip. So this is also a functional, completely functional page, a static and a dynamic. You'll be building it here. Okay. So just give me a minute. It's loading. Okay. Okay, just I'll take you through the Xflex part. So Xflex is going to be an independent project that you'll be building. Okay. So you can use your own concepts and you can apply it. Your search bar can be here, or your recommendations and genres, like sorting of your genres can be different. Okay. So
Correct, yeah.
everything you can apply it here. Okay.
Great.
So yeah, Qtrip and QCart, Qtrip and Xflex. Okay. Clear on this part?
Yeah, of course. Great.
So now moving into your dashboard. So we provide you a dashboard for every client, cryo learner. So here is where your complete learning takes place. So this is basically my dashboard, and I'm impersonating a cryo learner here itself for you. Okay. So yeah. So if I'm taking this, so this is a dashboard of a cryo learner. Okay. So based on your assessment, so you are seeing a sprint here, right?
Yes.
Day
Yeah.
0, JS1, FE1. So this is month-on-month plan that is given to me, okay, that I have chosen. Okay. So based
Yeah.
on your assessment, we will recommend you a plan, you will choose it. So the best person to judge your skills is yourself at the end of the day, right? So you can
Right.
use it. Okay. Then moving on to once your month-on-month plan is given, you will be given a weekly plan. So your weekly plan is going to be, you will be given in the sprint board, it looks like this. Okay. Session 1, session 2, Q&A, session 1, Q&A, and so on. So for a better explanation, I'll take you through the slide. So if you're seeing this, this is going to be your weekly plan. If you're seeing, your classes are going to be post 8 p.m. Okay. 8:30
Okay.
to 8:30, 2 hours of classes. That is going to be live working session. So we call it here as a working session. Why? Means because you will be working in each and every session. So in the beginning, I mentioned you'll be working as a full stack developer from the beginning. Okay. So here it is
Okay.
not going to be a boring lecture or anything. Every concepts and each and every concepts, you will be applying it in the session itself with the help of the mentor. Okay. And
Okay.
who are going to take the session is not sessions are taken by industry mentors, not teachers and professors. Industry mentors
Okay.
are currently who are working as a full stack developer, as senior developers in Google, Flipkart, Amazon, Walmart Labs, Microsoft, and so on. Okay, they have their day job, they complete their day job, and weekly, on a weekly basis, they provide 6 hours of time, okay, for you to take up with the classes. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
they will be training you and you will be going with them. Okay. And then you'll be seeing the classes are going to be 3 working sessions on alternative day basis. And after each and every working session, you'll be having live Q&A for you
Okay.
to clear your
Yeah.
doubts. Clear?
Yeah.
So now I'll be taking you through the sprint board once again. So this is once your weekly plan is done, you'll be given a daily plan. So in the daily plan, you're seeing, let's take DSA. Okay. So in the daily plan, you're seeing, you'll be having in session and post session. If you're seeing the in session and post session, right?
Correct.
So how the sessions are going to be here is 20% of the time, the mentor will explain a specific task that you're going to work for that day. 80% of the time, you will be implementing the task in the session itself. Okay. So
Okay.
you're
Great.
working in the session on the task itself. Okay.
Okay.
So here, instead of watch recording, you'll be having live Zoom link to join your session. Okay. Then after that, you'll be getting a recording. So here, based on your time, okay, if you're giving a 15 hours of time, you will be given 15 hours of the curriculum. Okay. And
Great.
if you're ready to give 25 hours of the time, you will be completing your curriculum easily, and you'll be given videos and recordings as well to come up with it. Okay.
Great.
So based on your time which you're going to provide is when you'll be getting a personalized plan as well. Okay.
Great.
So you'll see this recordings are for you lifetime access all the time. Okay. And in the
Right.
post-session part, post-session is where you'll be working by yourself in the workspace. So if you come up with doubt, you can always use your support systems. You'll be having your support systems, chat-based support here. You can type out the query, and within 3 to 5 minutes, the maximum cutoff time is 5 minutes. Okay. Within that time,
Okay.
you'll be getting your doubts cleared. Or
Great.
if your doubt is not cleared in the chat-based support, you don't have to worry. You can go and raise a ticket. So once you submit a ticket, you will be getting a one-on-one session with the teaching assistant as well. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
You can clear your doubts one-on-one as well. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
And here you're seeing a sprint details. So you'll be having your sprint mentor and teaching assistants, anything regarding for your query on your technical related query. Okay. And you'll be having a customer success manager also who will be completely tracking you towards your target. Are you on the right path? They'll be checking it. Okay. If you're lagging
Great.
behind, or how much time are you spending on your problems, or how much time you are spending? Are you lagging behind, or are you facing any issues? So you can contact them in the WhatsApp itself. Okay. Or they will itself contact you regarding that. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
Got it. So this is just Springboard. Next, moving on to modules. So here in the modules part, we have came up with a thing called a byte. So you would have done it in your trial session, right?
Correct.
The trial session you would have done it REST API. So REST API is the concept that the mentor taught in the session. Then after the session, you came and applied it here, right?
Correct.
So
Correct.
basically, how the sessions are going to be, if your concept REST API, you will be working in the session also, right? After that, you'll be coming and doing it here as a byte. So yeah, what you're asking for, what is a byte if you're asking? So byte is a micro upskilling exercise itself for you to make sure that you are thorough on the concept which you have done in your in session itself. Okay,
Great.
clear? Just give me a minute. Yeah. So, so byte is going to be a micro upskilling exercise for you. So which you've done in the session, you will be coming and repeating it here on the same basis. Okay, so same like in the work. So if you're doing it in the repeated way, that's when you'll be getting to know, right? Same like how you're going to set up your workspace and everything will be mentioned here. You'll be doing it on the same basis as well. Got it?
Great. Yeah.
Clear. So
Understood.
this is your byte part. For each and every concept, you'll be having a byte.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Now where you'll be working. So here is where your workspace. So workspace, we have provided your workspace. You don't have to download any software or anything. Everything you're going to do, you can apply it here. Okay, you can directly start to push code and it is going to be automatically reposited in your Git. So here we have attached a Cryo certified Git for you. Okay, you can attach whatever codes you push, it will be directly reposited in the Git. Yeah.
Great. Yeah.
Just give me a minute. I'll drink a bit of water. Yeah. So this is where you'll be completely working on your projects and assignment that is given to you. Okay. So everything is whatever you do, it will be directly reposited in the Git as well. Okay, you have a Git repository here. Okay. So now
Great.
moving on to the DSA. So here is where the problems. Once you're completing your DSA part, here is where you'll come and apply it. Okay. So here,
Great.
same like the company, you'll be given a problem statement and you'll be given hints as well to come up with a problem. Okay. And you can solve it in your JavaScript or which language you're comfortable with. Okay. DSA. So we will be teaching you to write a single line of code, then 2 lines, then multiple lines of code. So you don't have to worry on that part. Okay. So you'll be completely thorough on each and every concept from the beginner level till the advanced level here. Okay. And you can also use your videos to come up with the answer. So here is where you'll be given a problem approach video and problem concept video here. Okay.
Great. Yeah.
With these 2 videos also, you can come up with a problem or you can use a chat-based or your one-on-one session to clear your doubts here in the session as well. Clear?
Okay.
So next comes your career services. So career services, here is where you're based on your profile. So once you're completing a 70 to 80% of the curriculum itself, your reference will start. So since based on your portfolio is where your reference will come. Okay. Based on the location that you have provided as well. Okay. So here in this demo tool, nothing is showing because I have not shared my portfolio here. Okay. So once your portfolio is shared, you'll be getting your reference here. Okay. So based on a portfolio. So based on that, you'll be opting. So the only thing you have to do for your application is opt in and opt out. Okay. So you will be seeing here below each and every companies, okay? You'll be having an option called opt-in and opt-out. So you can read the job description and everything, okay? And then if you're willing to take it, that kind of job, you can opt in and opt out. If you're opting in, you'll be taken to interview rounds. If you're opting out, we won't suggest you that. Okay.
Okay.
Basically
Okay.
depends on you. So if whichever you're opting in, your interview rounds will be scheduled. Okay.
Great.
So
Yeah.
before the interviews, you'll be getting 6 weeks of focused interview preparation across DSA, take homes, and tech stack questions here. Okay.
Great.
And you'll be getting one-on-one mock career coaching sessions and one-on-one mock interviews with industry expert also. After
Great.
that is where you'll be going to your actual interview. Okay, 3 rounds you'll be
Fine.
thorough. Then is when you'll be going into your actual interview rounds.
Great.
Clear? So here in the dashboard itself, you'll be able to see each and every offers that you're getting. Okay. So here at Cryo, you'll be seeing you can apply to 700 companies also, but you can also get hold on to multiple offers and still you can go with your interviews. Let's say first offer is your 7 LPA or 8 LPA. Okay. Then you're going for the next one for a 9 LPA. Okay. So
Okay.
based on your experience and based on your portfolio and based on how you're going to give the interview. So here you can hold on to multiple offers and still you can move on with the interviews. Okay. Till you are getting a desired package, you can attend your interviews and we will be helping you in that. Till you're
Great.
getting a satisfied package, that is when. So when once you're accepting your offer letter, that is when your career services will end. Okay.
Okay.
Till then you'll
Yeah.
be happy. And next, moving on to
Great.
Cryo community here. So here in the Cryo community, you'll be able to see top past interview questions from each and every company. So you can go through that and make sure that you're thorough on that part as well. Okay.
Great.
So this is your dashboard where complete learning takes place. Okay. From
Okay.
beginning to the end. Clear?
Great.
So now we take you through some of the placement stats. You'll be seeing here a few of our unicorns that you're going to get into, or Sunicorns, which you're willing, and top MNCs as well. Okay. You're seeing this. So we have I have explained to you about the average hike and everything here. Okay. And you can see we have so many people from non-IT background and non-tech background who have taken up the curriculum and moved into their dream job as well here. Okay.
Great.
Okay. So yeah, that was the session. So do you have any doubts on whatever we spoke about today?
Yes. One particular question regarding
Okay.
DSCs.
Okay.
So in that actually, you told me there is a two category of like super dreams jobs and dreams jobs. So in that I fall into the dreamers category, right? So
Yeah.
in
So
that
based on
category,
your
how much
profile.
DSA I'm going to learn?
So let's say before you're getting into the enrollment, you will give a set of target, right, for yourself, right? So based
Right.
on your target only, your curriculum will be given, and based on the target is when you'll be completing it as well. So you'll be seeing this is your DSA part. Okay. So from the beginning till the advanced level, you'll be completing it. Okay. Anyways, you'll be solving more than 200 problems here. Okay. In session and
Right.
post session. Okay. So based on that, you'll get till the advanced part you'll be getting. So if you are looking for a 15 LPA job, the DSA rounds are going to be from the intermediate level till the advanced, in between that. Okay.
Right.
Looking for a 10 LPA job, DSA will be from beginner to intermediate in that part. Okay.
Right.
So
Yeah.
higher the
Understood.
frequency, higher you're going to get your DSA rounds. Okay. You will be
Right.
based on your target is when you'll be giving a curriculum and everything. Okay. If you're given a set target, that is how we'll be working on the target to achieve the goal, right? So the
Yes.
same.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Any
So
other
my
doubts?
my second question is about wait a minute. About the tech interviews, which I wanted to ask something like, so tech interviews is nothing but DS interviews, right? For example, we have to, okay, let's consider this way. If there is an interview, so I think there are at least 4 different kinds of interviews, right? So a call
Yeah.
and then a technical round and a
DSA?
HR round, so to speak.
No.
Ah,
First you'll be having your HR round. Okay.
okay,
Then you'll be moving into your this is the basic 3 steps on the technical pack steps you'll be getting. Okay.
okay, okay,
So DSA first, tech second, and then third comes your take homes.
okay,
Got it? Right. So before that, you'll be having a HR round. So anyway, you're telling that your portfolio is shortlisted and what are you actually looking into and basic questions and from where you are and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Then you'll be moving to the actual interview rounds. Okay. It may be from the online or it will be in the office. Okay.
Great.
So based on your where you're going to choose, which company you're going to choose.
Okay, fine. Understood.
Okay. Clear?
Okay. So here actually there is something called a system design interview, right? So
Yeah.
in that actually system design is one of the most critical concepts for getting higher packages, right?
Great.
So
Great. So here you don't have to worry. You will be covering your system design concepts as well. So I went through the DSA parts. It's a high level design, low level design for you, right? So
correct.
this is the concept that you'll be studying here, system design concept, low level design and high level design also you'll be covering in this. Okay.
Okay,
So all the concepts you'll be covering. Okay. So you
fine.
can opt in for a higher also, but that is going to be who have a experience part, right? Who have experience on the same field and who's moving into a higher package. Okay. So that is where
Correct.
they'll be given the system design interviews. Okay. For a fresher, the
Okay.
system design interviews won't be there. You'll be having a take-home assessments, as I said.
Okay, fine. Understood.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
understood.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, fine. So yeah, so here Sakshi is there in the meeting, so she will be taking you through the fee structure and everything, and
Yeah.
she'll be the right person to talk to. And so I hope to see you soon in the cryo community here. Okay. So all the best for your career. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it was great talking to you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Sakshi or Joshna, are you there? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Rishi, hear me?
Yeah. You can take over the session for the fee part.
Yeah. Yes, thank you so much for your time, Rishi.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, hi,
Yeah.
Pradyumna.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Actually, I hope you're from Maharashtra, right?
No, I'm actually from Karnataka.
Okay. I thought actually your surname is Hegde, right? So I thought you're from Maharashtra because basically I belong to Maharashtra. That's why I asked you. So Pradyumna,
So
I'll not take your much time. Just want to understand your profile first of all, right? What
yeah,
exactly you're looking from cryo, right? Just want to understand that. Can you just
yeah, I want two things. One is projects, right? So mentored projects, which is I'm looking for in the first place. And the second one is, which
okay?
is highly important for me as well. It's DSA. So these two are the
DS.
most important for me.
Okay, understood. Like kind of projects, DSA, and placement, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Pradyumna, so can you just turn on the camera for 5 to 10 minutes, so I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a second. I'm also doing the cabin, so we can have a good conversation. Just give me 2 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I hope you're doing good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So basically, I belong to Maharashtra, but staying in Bangalore from past 3 years. Okay, so you are staying in
Oh,
Bangalore
really?
only?
You're from Karnataka. So, okay.
No. Basically, I'm from Maharashtra, but staying in Bangalore for past 3 years. I don't know
Yeah.
Kannada, but English we can have a conversation. So, Pradyumna, where you are staying in Bangalore?
Not in Bangalore. My hometown is actually Kargal, near to Chopals. You have heard of it,
Okay,
maybe.
understood. So,
Yeah.
what exactly the three things you are looking for: the placements, projects, and DSA? I hope like Rishi has cleared you each and everything, right? From the basic
Yeah.
onwards to the projects, right? So, just want to understand if you want to, if I'm asking only about the curriculum, what you feel if you're opting for it, like it will be helpful for you or not? Like it will be giving you some result or not? That is my question.
Yeah, I mean, it's very good curriculum, and it's also actually, let's say, customized for me, right? So it's a good thing.
Correct.
Yes.
So, yeah. Why actually, Pradyumna, I also, guided a lot of people, and my own sister, like she's working with a credit company for 13 LPA, right? She's in Pune. So I, suggested her also this program. Why? Because two things I personally like, that is a placement guarantee what they are giving, right? Platform is very good. They are having a lot of, multiple companies, like till now 721 companies they are having as a hiring partners, right? And the second thing is a personalized curriculum, because see, if you are the person you are having 5 years of experience, I am the person I'm having 15 years of experience, right? So curriculum cannot be the same, right? So it should be personalized
Correct.
only. That I personally like, right? So going to the
Correct.
I really don't want to take your much time, but I'm just checking your profile. So I hope this is your mail ID, right?
Yeah, yeah.
pradyumna.studies@gmail.com and the mobile
Correct.
number, right? So as
Yeah.
of now, whatever the form you have filled, right? You have attended a session also, right? Yeah, great,
Yes.
great,
Correct.
great. You have completed the milestone activities also. So just want to check, okay. 100, okay, great. So before this, you have done with any courses or something like that, Pradyumna?
I have actually from YouTube almost my knowledge is there
From
from.
from YouTube, you have studied the things, okay, no
Yeah.
issues. So I can see here 2019 you have passed out with a BTech. So BTech in
Correct.
computer science or any of the
No,
branch?
mechanical engineering.
Sorry, computer?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical
Mechanical engineering.
engineering. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, understood. So just want to ask a very personal question, like from 2019 to like till now, like any gap, like gap is there. So you are doing any other thing like non-tech thing you are doing, or can you just
Yeah.
explain me what exactly happened? Yeah.
It's kind of non-technical, but I was in ashram basically in Kerala. I was in the
Oh,
ashram as a student of Credit Pad. It's an Indian School of Martial Arts. I was there as a student and
oh,
a contest executive.
understood. So you are like as a trainer, you are working there, right?
Not trainer, as a trainee. I was there as a
Oh,
student,
as a trainer.
basically.
Understood. Understood. Okay, so you are in that part, not issue. So suddenly,
Yeah.
like you want to go in the computer science things or the maybe IT field. Definitely, something some thought will be there in your mind. No issues. Like we will be helping you with that, right? So as of
Correct.
now, like according to 2019, you have passed out, right? And you don't have any kind of prior experience in the IT field, right? What exactly
No.
Cryo is giving promise, that is a 4 to 6 LPA. Right? On a genuine basis, I'm telling 4 to 6 LPA in the sense from here you are going to start your placements. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to start your journey, just take one example from Kerala to Bangalore, right? So maybe from airport, maybe from railway station, maybe from bus you can start, right? So that
Correct.
starting point is 4 to 6, but maximum will be in your hand, Pradyumna, right? What exactly you're looking for. So I personally feel if person is passed in 2019, if we want to cover that gap, right, at least you should go for about 10 LP only. Right, on a
Correct.
practical basis, I will not tell you okay you'll be able to make 40 LP or 50 LP at first point of contact, but definitely you can reach up to 40 LP. Seriously, I'm telling, like a lot of opportunities are there, but you have to invest time for upskillment, right? More projects you
Correct.
have to work on, right? You have to match that criteria, the person having 2 years of experience, and you have to come up with a fresher.
Correct.
Correct, no? Right?
Yeah.
So this is how exactly, like I have shown you your profile only. Like whenever you are visiting our website or something like that, we will get to know. Okay. So you have attended session also, right? I hope this is clear to you.
Yeah.
Now coming to the part, I just want to show you some of the profiles, right, Pradyumna, because there are people those having the same profile like you, like 2019 pass out. They are also not working, maybe because of some leave, maybe personal reasons, right? So they are also coming and taking enrollment, right? So the person enrolled in Cryo, I really want to show you some of the profiles, okay? In just a second, like I'm having learner, yeah, Kushagra is there. So I'll show you their profile fitment form, right? Which you have also filled, right? So he is one of my very good learners. He is working with a Deutsche Bank. Okay, I hope you are aware about this. 2 to 5 years of experience he is having. 2021 pass out. He is a backend developer. Okay, what is his primary objective in any series? He want to switch from service based company to product based company. See, this person is getting decent package. No, 2021 recently passed out from past 2 years, right? And 20 lakh is a decent package. What I personally feel, according to our trainers as well, right? But
Correct.
still, he is looking for the course because he don't want to work with a service-based company. Because see, Pradyumna, one thing I want to tell you, as an associate, if you are getting 20 lakh, or as a manager, if you are getting a 17 lakh, right? The priority will be a manager because your growth is also simultaneously happening here, right? So that
Correct.
people are looking for. Package is definitely important, but the growth that we will get in the product based company, right? So that's why this person want to switch in the product based company and he enter for the program. Understood,
Okay.
right?
Understood.
So yeah, second profile, like what I remember, I'm just showing you randomly, right? Then I'm having, yeah, Samrat is there. Like recently, whoever got enrolled, right? I'm showing you that. Yeah, so the person passed out this year only, 2023, right? He also looking for a salary hike. He's working with a very good company, Honeywell Automation India, right? 0 to 1 year of experience, but only aware about C, C++. Very basic knowledge, right? A fresher student, right? Getting a 7.6 LP, it's again decent package. But again, he is looking for salary hike, right? Once he is completing 1 year of experience in the Honeywell, he can take this course, he can upskill side by side, and whenever he want to switch a company, he can get a good hike. Correct? So these are the freshers profile. I really want to show you some of the senior profile, okay, those who enroll from the cryo, right? So you can see here the person is working with LTI Mindtree company, right? Having experience more than 5 years, okay. 2015 pass out, right? And getting 26 lakh 50,000 is the package, right? But what is his primary objective? To build a software system as his own skill, right? So everyone is looking for, maybe if you're working as a developer, after some time you also want to do some startup, right? You can build your own software, right? So that kind of requirements also people are having, they are coming and giving enrollment, okay, because of moreover learn by doing method, whatever the projects we are providing from Prime, okay. So this is a senior profile. Again, not only India, I'm having a very good learner. She's from US. You can see here mobile number and the location, right? United States, King of Prussia. So she is working with the Capgemini company. Again, it's a service-based company, but having experience more than 5 years. Package is 30 lakh, 2013 pass out. Right? Again, what is her primary objective? Want to upskill herself in the tech lead or the architect field. Right? In the design development also, we are having that kind of thing. So she also want to upskill with the advanced DSA, then system design, lot of working like projects, right? So she want to do that, right? Now coming to the part, some of the people, right? They just, she is a learner. Like I remember, she's from Maharashtra, right? So 2016, she just done with the BTech Computer Science, but from 2016 to 2023, she took a gap because of marriage, maternity leave, everything, right? Now again, she want to start a career with cryo. That's why you can see here C++ to gain a knowledge and make her career. Yeah. So these are the profiles. Again, last one, yeah, Karthikeyan again is there, right? If you want to understand. Yeah, the same profile, right? 2019, you have also passed out. He also passed out in 2019, but he is also gaining 7.32 package. But like when I had a conversation with him, I still remember because still he is connected with me. So he were not looking for a salary growth. He were only looking for the upskillment because see in maybe primary, yeah. See, you can see here. He also mentioned here to get into top product-based company and to become a better developer. Because see, sometimes what will happen, Pradyumna, if the company is also giving a good package, maybe 40 LP, you have to justify your salary, right? You should be having that kind of knowledge as well. So I'm having one learner, right? Ankit Sharma, Ankit or Anil Sharma something. He's working with a Razorpay company with 36 LP, right? So he also came like as a fresher only he came. I will share the LinkedIn profile as well. So he's like, no, Sakshi, whatever salary they are giving to me, right? I am not putting that much efforts to the company. So this kind of profiles will also be there, right? So multiple people are there. Whatever I remember, right? I am showing you that. So you can see according to 7.32 lakh, he is getting a guarantee of 10 to 12. So from here, he will be starting his placements, but again, maximum will be in his hand. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Yeah, Pradyumna, this is clear to you?
Yeah.
Now I'm just showing you because how you can trust on cryo. That is a very much important thing, right? Something should be in the written form because I am also a person, I'll never believe on the verbal things. I want something in the written, right? So I'll just show you Karthikeyan's profile only, how exactly he got a mail, right, from cryo's side. So once you enroll, once you pay a registration amount, which is equivalent to first EMI, it's totally depend on person to person. They want to go for EMI plan or maybe a one-shot payment or whatever it is, right? That also I will explain at the end of the session. Yes. Can you see this mail? It's visible to you?
It's loading.
Yeah. It's visible now?
Yeah.
So subject will be congratulations Karthikeyan and welcome to Cryo Fellowship Program in Software Development with placement guarantee. Everything will be same, only it will be your name. Here it will be your name, Pradyumna, right? The mail will be from admission team of the Cryo, right? Hey Karthikeyan, hope you are doing good. Congratulations. Everything will be mentioned here, right? Now this is an important part where you have to also put efforts, right? What is written here? The Cryo placement guarantee, right? We guarantee you will get placed in the development role with a CTC of at least for you 4 to 6 LPA within a 6 months of completing the program curriculum. First thing, right? Pradyumna, can you read this for me loudly?
Yeah. As the name suggests, this is just the minimum we guarantee. You will have plenty of opportunities to maximize your earning potential well above this figure.
Yeah, I hope this is clear, right? So whatever we are
Yeah.
giving, this is just the minimum we are giving a guarantee, but again, plenty of opportunities we will be providing you, right? Because Pradyumna, see, 2018 only we have established this company, right? Co-founders are also, very kind of decade experience they are having. They work with the Google, Flipkart, having a good network with the PhonePe company as well, right? So they also observe people are lagging with upskillment. Like Indian mindset, what we will be doing, we first done with the engineering and directly, jumping on the job only because of family pressure, friends are getting placed, right? So you'll never think about the upskillment. But in foreign, like what you can see after engineering, also they will be taking some training programs, some upskillment program, right? Then they will be going for a job. So this was missing here. That's why they established their mind of thought was like this only before establishing the company. Yeah. So I hope this is clear to you. Prior placement guarantee. Now you will be
Yeah.
having a thought. Maybe for everyone we are giving a guarantee, but no, not possible. For your profile, we are giving guarantee. Once you fill the profile fitment form, we will get to know from the marketing team and the success team, right, what exactly we can provide to you. If you're looking for, Gurav Sanjeevani, right? So because she passed in 2016, right, we are giving her a guaranteed reference. Can you see here, career service option?
Correct.
Correct. The person passed after 2018 will be giving a guarantee. Okay. If you can see for Monica, right, we are giving her only exclusive career services. In this, we are not going to provide any referrals also because she is much more mature. She can apply by her own because having a senior profile, right? So that's what, because she passed in 2013. So for you, we are giving 100% guarantee. That will be our responsibility. Yeah. I hope everything is clear to you. Right?
Yeah.
So I just want to ask you one thing, Pradyumna. As you have attended a session more than 1.5 hours, right? So are you aware about the fee structure? What exactly we are charging for this course development program with a guarantee?
I know something about success fee after placements, but before that, I don't know.
Like before placements, you don't know any kind of idea, you don't have.
No.
Right? Jyotsna also didn't discuss with you.
No.
That is very important. Like before coming to the session, we have to discuss about the fee structure, but not a problem, right? So, Pradyumna, we have EMI options definitely, right? Maybe in the session also they have mentioned 7,222 something per month for 36 months, right? You have to pay. Correct.
Yeah.
I hope this you gone through in the
Yeah,
session.
that I know, but
The total amount and the flexible. Okay, no issues. I'm going to explain here, right? So again, I am taking a Karthikeyan's example only. What you can see here, right? 2,60,000 is the fees for this program, right? 100% guaranteed program. 50,000 moreover, we can provide a scholarship to any of the learner. The person should, complete the session. Person should complete the milestone activities, right? We will give you 50,000 rupees scholarship. In session, they will be mentioning 10,000, but again, we will be adding here, 40,000 scholarship. So total 50,000 scholarship you are getting. Now coming to the part, final fees will be 2,10,000 Pradyumna. Right?
Okay.
Now, if you want to see, here is a link to avail your scholarship, right? So if I'm copying this link, we will see this Karthikeyan has paid how much amount, right? Yeah. So he paid 17,000. Why? Because he went for 12 months of no cost EMI. Okay. But Pradyumna, again, I'm telling it's totally depend on you or person to person exactly want to go for 36 months of EMI, 12 months of EMI, 18 or 24 months of EMI. It will be your call only. Okay. There are no restrictions from our side, right? There are people like I'll show you here only, like Monica was there, right? So as I told you, she is from US. You can see here 2,30,000 she has paid. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Right. So maximum is 50,000, but again it's depend on us, right? The person is attending the session, the person is completing the milestone activities or not. You can see here she has paid $2,768. It means 2,30,000.
Yeah.
Right. Then again, I am having a learner from Maharashtra. Right. I remember. Right. She has also paid 2,20,000. You can see here. Right. Maybe she also went for one shot, as I remember. Yeah, she also went for one shot payment only. Right. There are people those who went for 36 months of EMI. Nilesh, I remember. Like basically Maharashtra people. Like I'll get to know. That's why I'm just showing you the most of that profile only. Okay. Yeah, what you can see here, according to 2,10,000, he went for 36 months of EMI, that is 7,058 rupees he has paid. Okay. So now coming to the, but you understood, right, Karthik, Pradyumna?
Yeah, understood.
Okay. Now you are not a working professional, so you are having any side source of income or something like that, or you are totally dependent on your parents only.
Yeah, I'm totally dependent as of now.
Parents,
Yeah.
parents, right? What your parents do, like father and mother, what they are doing?
Mother is actually a housewife and father is working, but getting no payment.
Sorry, father is working but
Getting less salary.
getting less
Uh,
salary. Okay, no issues. Yeah, understood. Any like sibling, like elder sibling or brother, sister you have?
no one.
So you have to take support from your father only, right? Pradyumna, this is the maybe a one chance you are getting, but I'm making you sure. See, this is going to be a record session. You can see your left side on the corner, right? I cannot give a random promise in the air, right, to you.
One
Right?
thing,
Yeah, please go ahead.
I mean, when I have to join this program, basically, right, from start of
Sorry,
when
come
this
again.
program starts.
Hello.
When is going to this program starts actually?
Okay, so this is going to be a last batch for the year, right? As soon as possible. See, it's an individual program, as we mentioned, right? So we are not waiting for any of the person. I really want to give you the maximum scholarship. I'm sharing my WhatsApp to you, right? Just give me 1 second, so you will be getting clarity actually. Just a second. I hope this is visible to you. Reboot 2024, right? So actually, Diwali is the best one for giving a maximum scholarship to each and every learner. So every year, Diwali, we will be having some extra discount, some additional courses, everything will be there. Okay, being very genuine with you. So here you can see in star valid till 30th November 2023, right? It was valid up to 2023. But we were, searching for the profiles. Literally, I'm telling you, we were searching for the profiles who I can see the capability. Okay, they can do the course. Otherwise, Josna also can end up with the session, right? Why I came as a domain manager, because I want to search out the profiles who can do it better, right? So you are aware about it. You are from the mechanical engineering background, but you have an idea of the development, right? Little bit you are aware about it, right? That's what I really want to give you this opportunity, right? Benefits worth rupees 1,10,000. What exactly it means, right? Normal basis, we are giving a scholarship of 50,000, right? You can see like whatever the payment done, I have shown you 50,000 they are getting, and according to 2,10,000, 2,20,000, and 2,30,000 they have paid. Correct. But for you, again, instead of 50,000, we are ready to give you a 70,000 scholarship. So basically, it will come to 1,90,000 on normal basis, like first come first service. Like we have to full some of the vacancies are there because we have a facility for 3 months. You can take a pause within a course, right? Because of some personal reason, XYZ people took one step back from this batch, right? That's why we are fulfilling this. That's it. Only one reason. Okay. With this additional exclusive access to an additional elective program, right? Design foundation for new age product. It's cost for 40,000 rupees. Like usually people will buy for 40,000, but we are ready to give you at free of cost, right? So it will be helpful for you mostly. Why? Because see, if you want to go for any of the company, maybe suddenly you want to achieve 12 LP, right? On normal skills, you cannot achieve some extraordinary skills we are looking for. That's why we are providing advanced DSA, advanced system design, multiple projects, right? We don't have any kind of limit for the projects. If you feel no, Sakshi, I'm looking for more projects, you can go for it, right? With this design foundation, it means some kind of knowledge for the artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is including in the development as of now, nowadays, right? In the market, you can see anywhere, like Amazon is asking, Google Pay is asking, Paytm is asking, they are asking for this kind of skills. Okay, so this additional course plus 70,000 rupees scholarships. So that's why benefits worth rupees 1,10,000 we are going to give you, right? If I'm just taking EMI calculator, right? So this is the EMI calculator what we have. If your fees is 1,90,000 for 36 months of EMI, your per month EMI will be 6,505. As you already mentioned, Pradyuman, if you have a credit card or debit card, we are having some different facilities as well. But literally on a general basis, as a friend, I can suggest you go for 36 months of EMI because I really don't want you to give a burden to your parents, right? So upcoming 6 or 9 months, you can take a help from them, right? 6,505. Once you got a job, right, you can pay remaining amount at one shot, or you feel okay, you want to continue that EMI till 36 months, you can continue that. So it will be your call, Pradyuman.
One thing, if I manage to secure that much amount of money, I think maybe I can go with this 36-month EMI cost, right?
I can't hear you, Pradyuman. Can you just a little bit? Yeah.
If I manage to make this amount like 6,505 nearly, If I'm able to pay monthly, I think I managed to pay that much. It's not a problem for me. I will take care of it. But
You are telling like, just a second, maybe your sound is, it's producing echo actually. So you are telling me 6,505 is a comfortable amount you can pay per month, right?
yes, yes, per
Okay.
month. On
Yes.
the debit basis, like monthly. I mean, it's not like taking loan and give it to you. It's like monthly. I'm going to give you this time.
No, Pradyuman, actually, there are a lot of learners coming with this idea because we can also understand. If I am also the person, I'll be telling directly manual payment I want to do, right? But it's
Yeah,
not allowed only according to RBI guidelines. Okay, Reserve Bank of India guideline. They are not allowing any edit platform to take a manual EMI till 36 months. It's not allowed only, right? So because
okay.
see, if you are going for the finance also, right, they are going to pay us a payment at one shot, and you are going to pay them EMI, right? But if your
Correct.
course fees is 1,90,000, finance team will not pay us 1,90,000, right? If you are paying 6% of interest, we have to also pay 6% of interest to the finance team. Getting a
Correct.
point, right? But it's a
Correct.
kind of it's a kind of very bonded things what we have. We are having finance partner like trade is there, advance is there, finance peer is there, and one more finance peer, trade, and Vartana is also there, right? Four finance partners are there. They are also sitting with us only on same floor, right? So any kind of disturbance, any kind of things, definitely Cryo will be doing interference in that. Don't worry for anything because we are also, our learner is taking some kind of loan or they want to, pay a EMI. That will be our responsibility. If anything is happening wrong, that will come to us only. First, we will be handling that problem. Don't worry. Like I can do that. And the second thing is like if you have today is 18th December, right? Okay, no issues. You have any debit card, like which account you are using for the transactions and all? Which salary, like sorry, which bank account you are using?
It's SBI.
It's
SBI.
SBI. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about your dad?
Canara.
Canara Bank. Okay, okay, no issues. So it's very personal question, but literally I want to ask you, Pradyumna, like how much your dad is getting per month salary? Because see, I'll show you one profile only without wasting a time. Like I'm having one learner, right? So having the
Excuse
same
me.
profile actually.
Excuse me. It's a small mistake. I am getting a call from hospital. May I get back to you?
Yeah, please,
With
please, please take your call. I'm here in the station.
thank you. Hello. Uh, Hello, Sakshi, are you there?
Yeah, Pradyuman, I'm here only. Actually, I was
Yeah.
having meeting at 1:45. No issues. Still, I have 15 minutes. No issues. So,
Yeah.
Pradyuman, see, I really want to show you one thing actually. Yes. So can you see this, like the profile of one of my learner? So he is also not working. That's why he shared his mother's documents. As mother is a businesswoman, they are having their own medical, right? So you can see
Okay.
here, right? Mother's Aadhaar card. So that is also okay. Like if you have a person who is doing business and with GST, ITR, everything is there. So you can share their documents as well. You can see here, like ITR or something. Yeah, you can see, right? Tax report and all they have shared to us, right? So this is the kind of thing, like as a co-applicant, someone can work for you. That will be a great thing, right, Pradyuman?
I
So
mean, it's
what you
like
can
for
do
taking
is,
loan, right? So these are all the
sorry,
documents is important for taking a loan.
yes, correct,
So that means
correct.
internally it's actually taking a loan, kind of.
Yeah, it's a loan only. That's what I'm telling. It's a NBFC partner, non-banking financial partners we are having, right?
Right.
So they will be helping you with things. Whatever interest will be the 36 months of interest, 6505 I have added. The only keep one thing in mind, because see 36 months of EMI. If personally someone also suggesting me, I'll never go for it because it's a long tenure. Feel like a car loan or home loan, right? But again, you have an option for pre-closement. No, that thing also you don't need to pay interest, right? What you can do is you just
Oh,
put
it's
your
a
100%.
non-recurring.
Sorry.
It's non-recurring loan. I mean, it's like if I complete the loans within a year, to consider as an example. If that is the case, and there will be no interest which I have to pay along with that. Only the principal amount should be paid. That's the case.
Yeah, you are telling me like okay, just take one example. Take one example actually. Okay, within a 6 months you got a placement. You're very good
Yeah.
company. You are
Correct.
satisfied with the package. Everything is okay. Till 6 months
Okay.
you have paid according to interest, right? Now you are feeling no, why I should pay interest and why I should continue this EMI. So if you are
Yes.
getting a decent package, the remaining principal amount you can pay at one shot and you can
Okay.
pre-close the EMI. Maybe only
Right.
2% interest will be there. If 1 lakh is pending for 1 lakh, like 2%, how much it will be, that only will be added. Other than that, no interest will be there.
Okay.
This is straightforward, I want to tell you. So there are a lot of people like Nilesh. I have shown you the profile, right? He went for 36 months of EMI. So same, he also wanted to do, like he's like, Sakshi, I can pay EMI till 9 months. And definitely you are not working as of now. You have a time, right? Good time you have. Spend maximum time for this course and try to complete your 70 to 80% course as soon as possible and go for the placements, right? Before that, please share me your resume, Pradyuman. Actually, I really want to see your resume, how exactly it works, and how exactly projects and all are there, right? If as of now
Yeah.
any like online or hybrid job, if you are getting like in Bangalore, a lot of opportunities are there. I'm also having HRBP friends, so if I really want to help you, definitely I'll do that.
Great. Yeah.
So
Thank
as
you.
of now, what I'm telling Pradyumna, it's sure, right? Confirm 36 months of EMI only will go. Don't think about 12 months, 18 months because I really don't want you to go for that, right? Once you got job,
Okay.
definitely you can pre-close the things, right? As
Okay.
of now,
Great.
if we want to go for 1,90,000 plus additional course, what we have to give, definitely first come first service will be there. Being very
Okay.
genuine and straightforward, I'm telling Pradyumna, right? Otherwise, people are paying 2,10,000. It will be unfair with them, right? So if I'm giving you that seat, at least what you have to do, you have to pay a registration amount, like your registration amount, which is equivalent to first EMI. Okay, we are
Great.
not
Yeah.
charging any extra thing. So 6505 you have to pay, and the documents you have to submit of your dad. Okay, like what is his age actually? Dad's age?
50.
50, right? It's not more than
Yeah.
60, no? 60. Okay, then it
No.
will work nicely. So I
Yeah.
want your dad's Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank statement, 3 months of bank statement, like recently till date, and one passport size photo I need for the documents. Okay, and once
Okay.
you submit that documents as soon as possible, I'll just send it to the finance team, right? I will be there on conference if you need that. I'll be doing intervention, no issues. So finance team is here. They will be calling you. They'll be telling you the process. A verification call will happen, like what I have promised you, the same you understood or not, right? If anything
Right.
clashes there, they will directly talk to me. Okay, so that is also clear. After that, we'll be getting a call from finance team. They will be asking you the verification and NASH process. I hope you are aware about it, right? So NASH
Yeah.
process will be done by 15 minutes or 10 minutes, and we can complete the things as soon as possible. I'll be going to the onboarding team. Because you want to start as soon as possible, right? You don't want to be late.
Sure.
Correct,
No,
no?
I don't
So I'll
want
be
to
going.
do it, but I'm actually considering actually going to join the program and all those things. I'm having an internal discussion on it. So yeah, it's okay. I'm really interested to run the program. Let's see how it takes. So within 2 to 3 days, I will be. I think, yeah.
2 to 3 days, it will be very, seriously, I'm telling Pradyumna, it's not about like forcefully, I really want you to enroll today only. But 2 to 3 days, it is a long time. What I cannot give you because of that 1,90,000, right? Because if some other person is coming with a good motive and good aim, right, we can give seat to them. As a program manager, maybe I am talking to you. Maybe some other counselors, some other senior counselors, some other program managers are talking to other learners as well, right? So that is the only thing, because you can see, no, right, Pradyuman, right? These people are paying, 2,30,000, right? Then 2,20,000, right? 2,10,000, again 2,10,000. It's a margin actually. 2,10,000 is the last amount of the fees what we can provide. But again, I'm giving you two
Correct.
facilities because I see that much maturity in you and capability also. If you are aware about this thing, definitely I can give a chance to you. That is the only
Great.
concern and genuine thing, right? I cannot tell you false statement again. I'm telling because it's going to be a recorded session again, or it will happen, right? So that is the
Yeah,
only
that's
concern, right?
okay.
So yeah,
At
do
least
one thing, Pradyuman.
I want at least 1 day of time today itself because I want to discuss with my parents and all those things. So
Sorry,
at least
can you come again? Come again.
I want to discuss this with my parents as well. So
Yes.
I want at least 1 day. It's like
One
at
day.
least today.
Okay, not a problem. Yes, yes. Okay, no issues. That I can understand, right? But 2 to 3 days
Yes, yes.
definitely I cannot understand, right? So do one thing, like please, it's a request from my side, Pradyumna. At
Yeah.
least today evening also, if you are telling me by 8 o'clock, that will be all okay. I don't have any kind of problem, right? If before
Yeah,
12 o'clock
okay.
it's happening, it will be great because I have to put a one mail for you that please hold one seat for you, like whatever the information it is, whatever the confirmation it is, right? I'll try
Understood.
from my base actually. Okay. So please
Okay,
give me a
understood.
call before 8 o'clock. That is my request actually. Okay.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Today
I
also,
will.
like if you are doing, if you are interested and everything is was good. So 2,000 or 3,000 you can do it today, and the remaining also you can do tomorrow. That we can do, no issues, right?
What
But
is the
decision it
registration
should come.
fees? Forgot.
656505.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. So if any issue is there, financial issue at the end of the day, like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, 2,000 or 3,000, you can make a payment for blocking. That's it. Tomorrow, remaining thing you can do. That I can do for you. Okay. But
Okay.
confirmation should come today only. Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Okay, Pradyumna. So I am very clear from my side. Like I have also waiting. I'm really sorry for that. So
Yeah,
I
that's
have to
okay.
leave this session. Anything is there, you can ask me as soon as possible. Anything you want to ask me?
No, no, sorry. Thank you.
So should I
Yeah.
send you that screenshot of the fee structure so you can discuss with your family?
Yeah, please. Yeah, it will be
I'll
very
ask Jyotsna
helpful.
to do
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so much, Pradyumna. All the very best.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.